Hey guys, I am just out here with Mike, Diggin Canada.
George the Fifth penny.
He just got a George the Fifth penny, and he just got a Merc. What year was that? 42? 42? Yeah. And I'm out here with Mr.
92 Finder.
Mr. 92 Finder. And I can't show him because then I'll show our location, but anyways.
We're gonna kill it anyway.
We're gonna kill it. We've been here 10 minutes.
Come back.
Been here 10 minutes. Mike's already got a Merc. And I just got a silver here about, and I kind of walked over Mike's line. Sorry, Mike. But there it is. And let's see what year it is. 1952. All right. Now it's Sebastian's turn. Let's all get something. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next. And that was a nice 30, 37, 38 on the Safari, which I'm rocking now again. Okay, guys. See you on the next. Bye for now. Hey, guys. So there's Mr. 92 Finder, Sebastian, and we've got Mike over here. Mike got I think a 1928 Canadian penny, and I just got a nice 35 on the Safari, 35, 36. Not too far down in the hole, and normally I don't film these, but I already looked at it, and I mean, I like these, but it's a weedy. And the interesting thing is we're at a 1940s park, but this weedy turned out to be a 1918. I'm not sure what the mint mark is on that. I'm not too familiar with the mint marks on these, but it's pretty interesting. 1918. It's a 40s park here, so I'll take it. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next. Bye for now.
Like early 1900s.
Hey guys. So there's Mr. 92 Finder. Say hi.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe to me, Cash Mole. No, subscribe to both of us, Cash Mole and Mr. 92 Finder. I'll put a link to his channel.
The Canadian Hoover Boys are here.
The Canadian Hoover Boys. Yeah. And way over there, yeah, the Canadian Hoover Boys. Way over there is Mr. Diggin Canada Mike. He's made some good finds. Old penny. Anyways, hey guys, so we're working this park. Mike's got, would you get like a George 5 penny?
Yeah, two of them.
Two of them. Sebastian's getting some old pennies, keys, stuff.
No old pennies. Just
okay. We're working. Well, anyways, got a few things here.
I got a surface dime.
Got my dime. It's got a surface dime, George's. Anyways, I got a really nice 39 on the Safari. I'm hoping it's a ring. Take a look. I just kind of got a quick flash of it. This is going to be very embarrassing, but you'll see it either way. So where is it? There it is, right there.
Yeah, it's probably silver.
In situ.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
So let's take a look at it live. The way we like it.
Ooh, that's nice.
That's a very nice ring.
It's a new one.
No, that's an older one.
But it's very shallow.
Yeah.
Look at where it was.
People lose the stuff that I found. Old ones were on close to the surface.
Do they?
Yeah. People wear old rings, right?
That's true. Yeah. There's no set, another kid's ring. Can't find a ring that I can actually wear. Got big meaty sausage fingers, guys. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see, 925 or sterling? 925.
Yeah.
Right there. Sweet! Having a good day so far. Alright, guys.
That's nice.
I feel like giving Mike a kiss.
All right, I'm moving.
And
away.
Sebastian. Just kidding. Hey there, guys. I'm here with my buddy Mike, Diggin Canada, and got the Safari. Those are Mike's sexy legs. And just kind of working a old field here. Haven't got squat today so far. Mike's got a large cent and silver quarter, silver dime. I just got a nice 35 on the Safari, so I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm hoping it's a large cent. It's probably toasted though, I don't know. Let's take a look. Oh, it's toasty. Yeah, I don't know. Should have brought a... That's a large cent, I think. I see a wreath. Yeah, it's a large cent, I believe.
I think it's an Edward, maybe.
Could be. I should have brought like a toothpick or something. Anyways, looks like a largie, guys. So we'll clean that up later. We'll show you on the wrap up. All right. Okay, guys. Hey, guys. So that largie turned out to be a 1909 King Edward. Kind of cool. It's a little crusty on the back, but it's all right. Not bad. That was a 35 on the Safari. Nice solid 35, and I just got a 34. And looks like I got an anchor in the hole. Maybe a little bit older. I don't know. It's the first time I ever got an anchor though. Kind of neat. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next. Ships ahoy. Alright, bye for now. Hey guys, got a 35 on the Safari. It was pretty shallow, expecting some kind of bottle cap or something. They must have turned the soil here. Sorry about the wind noise. It's not too much, but it's got a little bit of interest here. I think it's something pretty old. I don't know if anybody knows what this might be. Could let me know. Looks pretty old. There's nice design on it. Some kind of spigot, valve or something or other. Pretty fancy for a valve, but alright guys, we'll see you on the next. It was a 35 on the Safari. Talk to you later. I am in an older neighborhood. I am just waiting to meet Diggin Canada and 92 Finder. And just been here. I got a weedy over there and a 74 penny, pretty shallow. Been here maybe 20 minutes. Got the Safari, and I got not too deep. Got a nice signal. It's like a 38. It was actually hitting 39, and quite shallow actually. I've got something here. Yeah, it's a. Looks like it's silver. Let's bring it up and take a look. Let's go onto this side. I hope it's silver. What year is that? 1951. Sweet. All right. And that'll be a George VI. All right, guys. Having a good day so far. All right, we'll see you on the next. Bye for now. Hey guys. I like getting Mike on camera whenever I can. Sebastian's down there, 92 Finder, just working along this path, and down in the hole. Ooh, there's something there too, eh? Maybe that's what convoluted the signal, but looks like I got something down here. I think it's
bigger than a large penny, I'm pretty sure.
Is it?
Yeah.
I wonder what it is. Maybe a token or something. Maybe it's a blank. Oh.
What is that?
It's nothing.
No, it's something.
It's a slug.
There's some writing on it.
Is there? Maybe it's a Chinese coin or something. Weird. Yeah, there is some writing. It's hold though.
Yeah.
Half. Oh. Is that an American half? No.
No.
Is it? I wonder why it's hold like that. Cool.
That's
Too bad it's in bad shape though. See if we can get something off that later, guys. That's a coin. Looks like someone drilled it out, eh?
Yeah.
That's a drill. Somebody tried to drill that for sure, but they didn't make it through.
Yeah.
Half. It's a half of something anyways. Could be an American half. Alright guys, we're having a pretty good day. Mike just got a 19... What year large cent?
Pretty good.
14.
1914 large cent, just about 20 minutes ago. Alright, we'll show you that on the wrap up. Bye for now.
I need to see that.
Hey guys, so they're over here like flies to where is it? Someone stepped in it. Anyways, maybe I did. There's a nice pile of poo there. But yeah, we toothpicked it off. Sebastian's working on the next half-penny token right there.
No, I don't think so.
Never know, man. There it is.
I think it's a piece of junk.
1854 half-penny token. Bank of Upper Canada. Somebody tried to hole it so they wouldn't lose it with a drill or something. But they did. There's the guy on the horse. 1854. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next. Lots more good finds coming, I hope. Bye for now.
For 9 to finder.
For 9 to finder. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, we're just working the forest area next to the road here. Right next to this big tree. Just off of a little path. Not very deep at all. Looks like I got large cent in the plug. Let's take a look at it. Looks pretty bad though, condition wise, but let's see. Huh? Maybe not too bad. Yeah, it's a George V. Sweet. Oh, it's actually not in bad shape. 1920.
Nice.
Yeah, it's not in bad shape actually. All right. Yeah, it's actually not bad. Not bad at all. A little bit of corrosion there. But overall, let's see if I can get that off. Taking some of the coin with it, but let's see. It's not on his face at least. Oops, sorry. Sorry guys. I wasn't showing you what I was doing there. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. George V. I love you. All right. Having a good day. Is it a little bent? Slightly bent. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next. Having a great time here today. All right. Bye for now. Hey there, guys. So here is the wrap up. Got a nice wide assortment of wheat pennies. George V pennies, 1950. There's another one. It's funny how they look different when they come out of different types of soil. There's a 1967 Centennial penny. There's a wheat penny. Another wheatie 54. Another King George VI. Elizabeth penny. And we got the dreaded 1968 dime. Halfway through the year in 1968, they changed over to making silver dimes to nickel dimes. Dimes made of nickel. Same with the quarters, and of course the nickels were nickel. And I got a nice 1952 silver dime, 1951 silver dime, 1950 silver dime, and I love seeing him come out of the ground. Mr. George, King George VI. And we've got this nice 925 silver ring. Beautiful design. I apologize for not cleaning this stuff up. Been so busy. Cleaned it up the best I could quickly. This one has a really nice design on it. Happy with that. Got some older pennies. Nice 1909. That should clean up a little better with the toothpick as well. There's King Edward. And I got a really beautiful 1920 in great shape. Very happy with that one. That's one of my nicer large cents. There's a little bit of corrosion on the back there, but overall not too bad. And I got a 1920 Wheatie. Thought that was pretty cool. Love old Wheaties, because it usually means there's old silver nearby. So, and I love largies. And I guess you could say the find of the two hunts was this Bank of Upper Canada half-penny token. This might come up a little better too. But there it is. Somebody tried to drill it out. Actually, they drilled it just enough, I think, to get a string through it so they wouldn't lose it. But they still did. It's got these weird score marks, maybe from the drill. I don't know. I'm assuming it was probably a hand drill, non-electric. My grandfather had one. I used to have one in our tool thing in the basement, tool cabinet. So that was the find, I think, of the two hunts. It's my first Bank of Upper Canada half-penny token, 1854. Found the Bank of Montreal tokens, 1844, and I found the 200-year-old Wellington half-penny token. Found 2 or 3 of those. So, but this is my first Bank of Upper Canada. Would have been nice if it was in better shape, but it's kind of neat having it drilled out there. So, still happy with it. Nice find. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the hunts. Had a great time with Diggin Canada and Mr. 92 Finder. And I'm looking forward to getting out there and doing more hunts with those guys. So we'll probably bring you some more videos in the future. Alright, guys. So that's it for now. happy hunting. Hope you can get out there and enjoy the good weather and get the coil to the ground and find some silver yourself. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.